So right now I'm taking out, well, I took one of them out already. This is my little French braids. I had it in a puff for work this week. It's officially time. We're doing our starter locks. After I take this braid out, I'm going to do a clay mask. So I was doing some research, and personally, right, like just for me, I want to do a good Aztec clay mask. It's a really good cleansing mask, especially with me like coming out of braids a week ago. I want to do like a nice little, I guess, detox for my hair, and a clay mask will do just that before I shampoo and condition it, and we're gonna get this together. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed. I did the Aztec clay mask. I shampooed and conditioned. So now I'm about to sit here and detangle my hair. Good. Well, I think it's already like after 12. I'm about to set up my mirror to start doing my parts. The main focus for today is sectioning everything off, doing the 2-strand twists, and then interlocking. My goal is to do my 2-strand twists all over, and then from there I have to take a break because I need to wash clothes. I got work tomorrow, so we'll see how far we get. I'll include some clips of me sectioning off my hair and everything, and we'll go from there. Got you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York, from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this. You make it easy to blow this, you know this thing. Working the ass for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked. I'm right, I know what I like. 6 tapes off, even at you. Trying to get you wet like a Baptist, really, dog. You're running down always. Just I don't wanna be like I'm hating. Baby girl, I ain't hating. You got options and I'm in red. You know you got options, baby. Yeah, you got options, baby. No, you got options. It's been a week. I 2-strand twisted all of my hair, and then I went to work for a week. And I'm finally about to do my first like interlocking, I guess. I can't call it my first retie because I've never had my hair retied, but because as of recently, I've just been wearing them out like this with my middle part. I've gotten compliments on it. I did have a couple people when they asked me like if I was ready for that ugly phase. Personally, I don't feel like there's an ugly phase. My hair is popping. Like my natural hair is popping. My twists, starter locks, whatever you want to call them, are popping. I don't necessarily believe in that whole like ugly phase. Is my hair like shorter than what I'm used to? Yes. When I first did starter locks, they definitely were longer, but of course with like the shrinkage, they've gotten a little bit shorter. I mean, then again though, like I mist my hair almost every day to keep it moisturized. I use an oil on my scalp every night, wrap up my hair in a bonnet.
and I just let it be. Like, right now it's doing its own thing. I'm excited though. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You know, of course, I have to put out my disclaimer. I am not like a licensed cosmetologist. I am not a hairstylist. Natural hair in general is expensive. Lock maintenance is expensive. Starter locks are expensive. Everything is expensive. And I'm just a DIY girly who want to save some money and figure it out myself. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. That helps me a lot. And I will see you in the next video.